One of my greatest pleasures over the last year has been meeting some of the apprentices and young people working at our centres across the UK. I'm very proud of the fact that we have more than 1,700 apprentices and are one of the UK's largest providers of apprenticeships. More than 700 at the Manufacturing Centre in Warwick, helping to design intelligent vehicles and cleaner, safer and smarter transport. Some 600 at the University of Sheffield's Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre, where one of their latest successes has been to develop a revolutionary new rein to improve safety for horse riders. And another 400 at the Manufacturing Technology Centre, whose research partners include the Universities of Birmingham, Nottingham and Loughborough. The government has tasked us with reskilling the workforce to meet future challenges. Our Emerging Skills programme is developing training in areas like electrification and digitalisation. The High Value Manufacturing Catapult is about creating the future through innovation. And who better to help create it than the young people to whom that future belongs?